So I have some SATA hard drive laying 2.5 inch. So if you have some SATA, or you wanna use your laptop old hard drive, or you just want more space, I mean, you can throw up to unlimited size, up to 8 terabyte, 16 terabyte. It depends on the availability of the size. If you're talking about the physical, I mean the spinning hard drive. If you're talking about SSD, I can get up to 4 terabyte and the 2.5 inch SATA enclosure. So this is from the BENFEI. Let me open it and let me show you. Okay, I like this one because it's USB-C, USB-A. It's USB-C. Just plug in like this now. Wow. I mean, I have used a lot of enclosure for the PCIe or the SATA, but I think this is the best. I mean, it have a SATA 3 speed. This one is for, okay, normally I don't need one, for 3mm hard drive, or for 1.5mm EVA. Okay, this is padding you can put, but I will not using this one. Let's see them. I mean, this thing is this is lightweight and I really like the enclosure. I'm going to make this one into a SSD. I'm gonna throw 4 terabyte SSD. I'm gonna use hip hip hooray. I mean, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Amazing. This thing is amazing. I mean, you have to buy this thing. Amazing, this thing. You have to buy this thing. I'm telling you have to just get this thing, There's no debate. You should just get this thing. I mean, this thing, wow, it's very tiny. It's also matched the laptop black color. Subscribe and bye.